imagine you can hear my dishwasher in the background, but I'm just gonna roll with it because it's time to vlog. It's been a hot minute since I've showed you guys my room, and I'm pretty sure the last time I did it was 2 apartments ago. So I'll show you around a little bit, let you see where all the magic happens. And but first I have a couple of chores I need to finish up. So I just cleaned out my fridge because I'm going home for Christmas soon. Obviously I have the dishes washing. I just cleaned the cat box and now I need to go take out the trash. So yeah.
Somebody doesn't want Mama to get up and take out the trash. Why don't you look happy? Are you not happy?
Hello and welcome to my apartment. So, a lot of this I'm sure you've probably seen in the background of my videos, but my apartment's not that big. It's just me and my cat, sometimes my boyfriend, so I'll just kind of give you the lowdown of everything in here. So once you come in the door and look to the right, you have my kitchen. It's definitely not my favorite part, probably the messiest part of my apartment. But you know, I spent a lot of time here since girls gotta eat. Let's move into one of my favorite parts, which is my living room / dining room. This is what I like to call grandma chic, I suppose. Everything is pink and white. There's doilies in various places, dark wood, Queen Anne legs, everything that a grandmother probably would have. But I got this table from, gosh, I think a garage sale. I think I got the whole thing for 40 bucks with the 4 chairs. I just tossed my jacket on the back of that. I've got my TV. I was in the middle of a project, so right now it's got all of my laptop and tripod and stuff on it. I have the cat tower. My cat loves to sit right up there. That is her favorite perch. I have all of my Christmas presents for everybody. Window with just some white curtains. I have this end table and a pink chair with a couple of different pillows on it and some blankets. And over here, this is my couch. I've got pink throw pillows and a pink throw blanket. I think I actually got this from the Goodwill furniture store for $15. Over here I just have my mail and a lamp with a doily underneath it, keys, name tags, all that good stuff. Now down the hallway. This is my workroom. It's also my guest bedroom in case I ever have anybody stay the night, and a lot of Percy's stuff. So I have one of her extra beds in here, her scratching post. I have this futon which pulls out into a bed. I've got candle and stuff over there. In this closet I keep a lot of my cleaning supplies and extra crafting stuff, as well as Percy's litter box, just to kind of keep it out of the way. Over here is how I organize all of my craft supplies. I need to go through and clean a lot of that right now, let me tell ya. Over here I've got where I keep all my paper stuff and canvases and all that, and my sewing machine. Again, need to find better places and ways to organize all this, and maybe that's something that'll just have to come once I get an actual house or an apartment after I graduate. I have pictures of me and my friends on the wall, and here is pretty much where I keep everything. I have obviously my book bag here that I take to class. I have this faux fur throw thing over it just for aesthetic purposes. But I have a lot of office supply stuff, and I know someday when I have my teacher desk, I'm gonna want to have a little label like this, or just different kinds of organizers. And here is my full bath. It's very pink, very gold. Got some navy blue in here as well as my bedroom. Oh hey, nice to see ya. Let's see, I've got just tiny fake succulents and just some stuff to do my hair with. Something else that I really like about my apartment, and is really nice when I have guests, is I have a second half bath that is attached to my bedroom. So obviously this is just where I get ready in the morning. I've recently had some weird like back spasms like in my lower back, and it's making it kind of hard to bend and move around sometimes. So I've had to like move a lot of my stuff that would normally be in drawers or underneath kind of to the top so that I can grab it. Oof, that is a messy mirror. Gross. Then I have my linen closet over here where I just keep a bunch of my extra stuff. And now for my favorite part of my apartment, which is my bedroom. Here, hi, sweet girl. Oh, that's so perfect. I have just like a little reading nook. I like to sit over here when I'm reading, which is why I have this little thing here that I've added some reading quotes from. I actually got it out of this book that I just got the other day, right here, called She Said, Witty Words from Wise Women. And it's just a bunch of quotes said by women. While I'm over here, this is where I keep all of my books that I have around. Some I have collected for my future classroom, some I'm actually reading, so all that jazz. I've got some wall art up here, some that I've made. This is actually my graduation cap from my Bachelor of Science that I got last year. These were made by my big and my little, respectively. I have my television. I have actually made a little date jar for me and my boyfriend. Sometimes we'll pick out of that if we don't know what we want to do. And I have just some more pictures and a clock, my nightstand, my cat, obviously my bed. In here is where I keep all of my like out of season clothes, so the clothes that I'm not really wearing right now, so all my summer clothes are in there. I also have these nice gold frames that I got from the Dollar Tree that I've just put these like really aesthetic pictures from Google in. Finally, one of my last things is my walk-in closet. It is absolutely a wreck in here, but I keep everything in here from board games to my extensive hat collection, important documents. I organize everything in my closet by color. Isn't crazy exciting, but I'm new to the whole vlog thing. Definitely don't think I'm very good at it yet. And I have kind of a lot to be working on, or especially when it's such a very low-key day where I'm just working on chores and getting stuff done for the end of the semester as I'm preparing to go home. I just wanted a little something to kind of show you guys, especially since I've just cleaned. It seemed like the prime opportunity. So thanks again for watching. This is another part of Vlogmas, so stay tuned for another one. Yeah.